everyone. So today is 5th April 2026 and I'm going to talk about the evening shift analysis for JEE Mains Session 2 April attempt. We have got the feedback from the students itself straight away from the center. What they are saying that the overall paper was moderate. Evening shift exam was overall easy to moderate difficulty. Chemistry and physics were easy and formula based, but mathematics was comparatively more challenging due to lengthy calculations compared to physics and chemistry. The chemistry section was easier than physics and maths. Okay, the chemistry section of this evening shift was moderate compared to the morning shift of 5th April. The weightage of inorganic chemistry was more. Overall difficulty of mathematics section was moderate. This particular mathematics section was relatively harder compared to physics and chemistry. But the mathematics section of evening shift was easier than today's 5th April morning shift of JEE Mains 2026. Overall mathematics section was lengthier and time consuming than the other sections. If I talk about the difficulty level subject wise, it is mathematics followed by physics and then chemistry. Talking about the questionnaire part, from chemistry, one question from biomolecule, one question from chemical kinetics, two questions from GOC, one question from ionic equilibrium and electrochemistry. They were mixed. Talking about physics section, the one question from units and dimensions, one question from kinematics, two questions from rotational motion. The topic was moment of inertia and energy. One question was from modern physics. The topic was de Broglie. Two questions from electrostats, one question from current electricity and two questions from ray optics. The topic was lens. Talking about again for chemistry, there was one question from solutions, one question from coordination compound, one question from chemical bonding, from salt analysis and thermodynamics also there was one question. Talking about the mathematics section, one question each from vector, algebra and 3D geometry and integral calculus, and there were two questions from coordinate geometry. Till now, we have received this particular feedback from the students, but the accurate and the most authentic feedback I'll be providing you in my live session that is going to scheduled at 6:30 p.m. today itself. So don't forget to join me in my live session for memory-based questions and their solutions and the complete thorough analysis of physics, chemistry, mathematics. Till then, take care and bye-bye.